Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you these beautiful Christmas ornaments. They're so simple and easy to make. All you need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I'm going to share with you this pattern that you can use both for the wreath and the candy cane. So it's one pattern, two types of Christmas ornaments in 10 minutes. It's so simple, you will see right now. All we need is to chain. So grab your yarn, make a loop so you can have your slip knot. And right now I'm going to chain. Depending how big you want, you can chain different number and on the size of the hook. So for mine, which is around 5 centimeter diameter for the wreath and 7 centimeter for the cane, I will chain 40. You can chain more if you want the bigger diameter wreath or a bigger candy cane. I already had a similar video maybe 5 or 4 years ago. I will attach in the description box. And I showed you how to make the same but with double crochet, and that time I just show you how to make the wreath. I used the wire. This time I'm not using anything except the yarn and the hook. And all we need is to chain and make some single crochet. So let me chain 40 and I come back to you. So I chained 40 and now I'm going to go to the second loop from the hook, second chain. So chain 1 you skip and insert in second chain, grab the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the same chain, insert your hook, you have 2 loops, pull through the loop. And the third one, you repeat all the same. Now we are moving to the next chain. Insert 2 yarn on the hook, pull through 2. Insert, pull through 2, and third time. So all you need to do is 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and keep doing single crochet until the end of the row. So insert 1, 2, 3. So that's how simple. So I have finished mine, and once you finish you will have to weave the ends if you need to make a candy cane, or you can just use this yarn to tie together the rest like this. So first I'm using it for candy cane, so I will not weave the ends right now, not to lose time, but I'm going to show you how. I think you already know. You just go and join them together. So the beautiful candy cane will be born after you interchange them. So just follow natural spiral. You will see how simple it is to make this. You can see we already started to have a candy cane shape. So keep doing until the end. My candy cane is ready. You see how simple it is to make one, and actually you can add the wire so it has steady shape, or you can just simply put the yarn here and you can already hand it to the tree because it will naturally curve. So you can make something like that on your tree and it will look beautifully. Or you can add the wire, or you can even use them for gift tags Sometimes I just glue directly. You can also use the glue to make the wreath like this, or use this yarn to sew together. It's a very beautiful wreath. I really love this style because it gives this beautiful neat look. And another wreath that I also love is this style where I use any plastic circle, like for example from water bottle. So these two are my favorite patterns for all types of Christmas decorations. They are really simple and very fast to make. So please subscribe to my channel, put like, and I really hope you appreciate this tutorial. You can ask me questions in the comments below, and see you again next time.